After months of building this in the background, Algpcamp has finally launched its first AI engineering cohort. So this is going to be a full AI engineering track, LLMs, RAGs, introduction to deep learning, agentic infrastructure, and whatnot. Everything is going to be technically covered. And along with that, industry grade projects that is going to actually help you understand how you can make projects around AI engineering, which focuses on actual industry level stuff. So let me walk you through around the complete curriculum in the next 5 minutes. Now, before we actually take a deeper dive into what all content is going to be covered in the course, I would like to first of all talk about the motivation. If you carefully see around, every single AI engineering tutorial that you will see is going to be either a 3 to 4 hour YouTube video where they will talk about a couple of frameworks and how you can actually make a couple of AI agents, or maybe there is a lot of maths that is actually going on in order to help you understand neural network, infrastructure of neural network, transformers, etc. Most of them actually lack one simple thing, which is what you are actually going to do in real software development products. When you are going to integrate AI in all of these softwares, how exactly you are going to code up in real engineering situations, how you can focus on scalability and maintainability, what are some real tools that are actually getting used in the industry, and what are some of the good practices that you have to keep in mind, along with the overall system design as well. And this was the gap that Algpcamp wanted to actually fill by launching this complete end-to-end beginner to advanced AI engineering cohort. Now, to simplify the complete curriculum for you, we have divided it into 4 major pillars. Let me help you walk through each one of them one by one to help you understand what all things you can expect from this cohort. So, the first pillar is understanding LLMs in production. In this one, we are going to actually understand different LLMs including Claude, GPT, Gemini, and also a couple of open source and small models like Phi4. We'll understand the concept of prompting, how that works in production, how you can actually fine tune the models, what is the right model for your task, how you'll be able to integrate with these models, and so on. This particular pillar will actually help you to set up all the basic foundations around LLMs and their usage. The second pillar is going to be around agentic AI. In this one, we are going to actually take a further deeper dive and understand the concepts around agents and how you can make scalable agents. We'll be talking about a lot of design patterns around agents like React, reflection, tool usage, planning, multi-agent, and whatnot. We'll be talking about how you'll be able to deploy these agents and how you can actually make a multi-agent system, including deep agents, deep research agents, and whatnot. We'll be talking about a lot of interesting frameworks using which you'll be able to create these agents, along with all the official SDKs as well. This is the skill set that will help you to get the highest paid AI engineering jobs as well. The next pillar is going to be around RAGs and production grade RAGs. Here we are going to not just create a toy RAG with some sample PDFs. Rather than that, we are going to actually make some production ready RAG systems, and we'll try to understand their system design, that what makes these systems actually scalable. We'll try to get the concept of chunking, vector databases, hybrid search, re-ranking, and whatnot. After this, you will definitely be able to make RAGs which actually scale well, works well in production, and is actually at par with all the important other RAGs as well. Post that, we'll also talk about deep learning foundations so that we are able to understand everything that is going on behind the scenes with all of these LLMs. We'll talk about the concept around tokenization, attention, embedding, and why this context window matters. All of these fundamentals will actually help you understand things in a much more deeper way. Along with these major 4 pillars, we are going to talk about a lot of advanced concepts as well. We'll see the concept of observability and tracing in LLMs, how you can actually focus on cost optimizations and caching around these particular LLMs. We are going to see a lot of agentic frameworks, including LangGraph, CrewAI, and whatnot. Now, what is the format of this particular course? Now, I definitely understand that everybody loves to learn on their own particular pace. So that's why Algpcamp has made sure that this particular course is going to run in a hybrid order, where every week you will be getting recorded lectures, and during the weekend we'll be having a live interactive session where we are going to build some real production grade projects and discuss some real interesting topics around all of these AI engineering concepts. Now, In terms of projects that you can actually expect in this particular cohort, you'll be getting a wide variety of interesting agentic infrastructure based project. We'll be talking about voice based agents. We'll be making some interesting agents around reviewing your code. We'll be also making a coding assistant just like Claude. And apart from that, we'll be also making some production grade RAGs, and along with that, in deep learning also, we'll be also making some interesting deep learning projects. I'll be listing all the project list here on your screen. You can actually pause it and check out yourself. Now, talking about the price. Now, Algpcamp has made sure that the pricing of this particular cohort is also at par with the existing courses of Algpcamp. It doesn't make a lot of sense that if it's an AI course that is getting launched at Algpcamp, it should be priced way high, like 50,000 or 60,000 altogether. So the pricing is at par with the current set of offerings at Algpcamp. You can check out the link in the description section below, and you will get all the details around the pricing, when the cohort is going to start, the curriculum, and every single thing. But make sure use this particular coupon code so that you can get massive discounts and as an early bird discount on this particular cohort as well. Also, to make things much more easier and more compatible for everybody, Algpcamp has two main plans that you can opt in for. One is a 400-day access and another one is a 1000-day access. If you're somebody who is in a much more fast-paced manner, where let's say you are preparing for interviews or you have some work that you have to right away deliver and you want to learn these concepts in a more faster way, then you can opt in for the 400-day access, where you can ramp up things in a much more faster manner. If you're somebody who wants to take a more deeper dive, take your own sweet time, analyze, explore, and do the analysis of everything that we are talking about, make the more projects apart from what we have already made in the course, then you can definitely opt in for the 1000-day access. That will give you more time to actually understand things in a much more deeper way. I hope all of you are pretty much excited about this new offering at Algpcamp. Algpcamp is going to make sure that they're going to keep the batch size as small as possible so that you can interact with the instructors, you can interact with other peers, get your doubts resolved, get your thoughts in open, and work on these real system projects and get the best learning possible. So I'm really excited for the cohort. I hope you guys are too. So do check out the link in the description section below, and let's meet in the first session for this AI engineering cohort. That being said, let's wrap this particular video here. We'll meet soon in the next set of videos. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. I'm Sanket Singh, signing off.